context protocol. So in this, I'm going to build up three main things. The first one, build MCP server using Claude and Klein, autonomous AI coding agent, and Cursor AI, Agentic AI code editor. So these are new technology which is emerging in the world right now. So let's continue one by one. Okay, let's start, everyone. So if you join little late, so that's okay. Just now we are starting, and let's continue today. Okay, next slide. I hope you heard about LLM, large language model. So if you already done that before, that's fine. But I just bring up a common and very simple. I want to bring, Pankaj, you check your side, man. Everybody's saying clean. Everybody's saying clear, except you. Please check from your side. Let's start. LLM means large language model. You know that because if I talk about ChatGPT, then only you can understand what's meant by LLM. I want to bring up a small example. What exactly mean by LLM versus agentic AI versus MCP. So why the MCP things comes now? Okay, so let's talk about it. So think of LLMs like brains that understand and generate human-like language. For example, we have a brain. So if I talk to you, your brain understand and your brain responds and your brain understand what I'm speaking to you. Or if someone asks me a question, and the brain is thinks and generate content and give some solutions. Pretty clear this one? Next part. So how the brain trained? The brain was trained on massive amount of text data. So our brain trained from our school, colleges, news channels, articles, friends, lot of conversations, isn't it? So the brain is trained on chess course. I don't ML, I'm able to catch this, or do I need to? Okay, let me tell you, if you are fresher, I want to build one of practical and then I will talk to you. Understand what's your name, chess courses? The student who joined for the first time. So I will explain this today's advanced topic and then we'll talk to the later. All right, guys? Yeah. Okay, team. Mr. Chess courses, are you there? Yeah. Muhammad. Okay. All right. So here, this part is clear. Answer me. What is LLM? Just now explained. LLM is think like a brain where everyone's brain understand and generate the response if somebody ask any questions to you. Okay, so the brain is trained on massive amount of text data because the brain is trained from our school learning, college learning, articles, news channels, newspapers, our friends, and lot of things. And this 20 years, we keep studies in schools, colleges. So don't you think the brain is trained on massive amount of text data? So for example, if you ask, tell me a joke, so writes funny, you'll speak a jokes. That means your brain is understand what is meant by context is joke. You will respond based on to the joke. So I hope everyone clear about LLM. Please answer me yes or no. Yes, guys. Everyone is clear what exactly I mean by LLM now. Okay, good. So remember, LLM is like a brain. Our brain is trained from a lot of text. Great. Next one. Muhammad, are you clear now? What is agentic AI? Okay. What is agentic AI? Let's talk about. Now imagine, I'll give one example or practical. This week, plan a weekend trip and book tickets. So what exactly the task? Plan a weekend trip and book tickets this week. Maybe you plan a weekend trip to Goa. By before you Goa, you want to go to Goa and book the tickets or not? So the agent books and compare prices and check calendars, isn't it? So it is a multitask. What is multitask? The goal is weekend trip and book tickets. The agents will books, compared price, which flight has how much prices, and which date you have to book a ticket. So now understand, imagine we are giving the goals to the brain. Brain is LLM. We are giving goals to the brains and tools and memory. It becomes an agent that can act on its own. So agentic AI is LLM. In this LLM, we pass the data to the memory and reasoning and tools, and everything is done by agentic AI. Are you guys clear or not in this one? Pretty much clear. For example, what is LLM? I was explaining you. LLM means nothing. It is a brain. Okay. What is agentic AI? Agentic AI means we want to plan a trip. When we want to plan a trip, so we need a tool. Which tool, guys? We need to tools like anything, like, you have to fly using flights or train and all those things. Reason and memory, you have to pass to the memory. So then only there is a solid planning is required for weekend trips. So this memory, reasoning, tools, this, when you combine all those things, this become your agentic AI, and you book the tickets, and proper planning is required. Without proper planning, this is not possible. I hope understand, guys. I hope understand, everyone. Okay, what is your name, man? God Hacker. Is this lecture in introductionary, or we will be learning some practical work? You will be learning practical work, buddy. Okay. So I'm explaining. What's your name? Hacker. What is your name, Hacker? So when you ask a questions, try to able to response. Understand? The first thing, what is LLM? LLM is a brain. Okay. And whenever the brain is trained from Sanket, the brain is trained from large amount of text data. Okay, the text data we learned from school, colleges, friends, news articles, all those things. So today's session is theory and practical. All right, guys. LLM part is clear. What is agentic AI? Assume we plan a weekend trip to Goa. For that, we need to book a tickets. So how book a tickets? Now the brain needs to be think. What exactly thinks? I have to book the flight ticket. So here the tool is called flight. The tool is called flight. Memory. So memory has to think which date I need to book the ticket. The memory has to be trigger the next week date. And reasoning means proper reason. I mean, reason means what? From Hyderabad to Goa. So when you combine all those things, this become your agentic AI. Are you clear now? Just give a response. Everyone is clear. Everyone is clear. Yes, online team. I mean, live viewers. Great. Next. So we learn what is LLM. We learn what is agentic AI. The next one, let's get back to the next topic. What is MCP? What is MCP? MCP like wiring system that connects to brain, memory, tools, and other system is called MCP. I hope understand. So I want to draw a small diagram, and then we do the practical, and everything would be clear now. So let's open what we called, this is OneNote. Just one moment. OneNote. Okay, I want to draw a small diagram. Just view, draw. Okay, let's talk about this. Assume this is brain. Okay, just now explain which is LLM. Make sense? So what is goal? The goal is weekend trip. Okay, to book the weekend trip, we need to book the dates. Which date I want to book the tickets? Great, guys. The next one, and which flight I want to book. Compare the flight prices. Compare the flight prices, isn't it? So guys, understand? So compare the flight prices and all those things. So here flight is tools and exact date. When the date comes, the memory has to. So this is all we build. If we successful book the tickets, that we assign the task to the brain or not. So the wired system, these wired system is called MCP. These wired system is called MCP. I hope understand guys what is meant by MCP. So what is meant by MCP? MCP is server connected from LLM to do the agents to complete the task. I hope clear everyone. I hope clear what exactly mean by MCP server. MCP server is the connections between the brain and tools and reasoning and memory, and it link up to the agents and build your task, guys. I hope clear. I hope clear. So let me again. So for every single separate task, there is very good Darshanikant. For every single task, we have to build a separate MCP server. So MCP like is wiring system that connects the LLM with memory, tools, and other systems. So here M refers for model. Which model? LLMs. C for context. What is meant by context? The context is, that means if you talk about action movies, only action movies will respond. And if you try to book the flights, only flights will respond. So this is the specific meaning to the specific context. And it could be anything like chart history, files, and tools. P refers for protocol. Protocol means rules for how to use context and interact. That means it is a wiring system of LLM to the context. So guys, I hope you understood. So what is meant by MCP? So how many of them clear? Okay, so because why I'm saying how many of them clear, it is a new topic and some of them are non-technical. I don't want to bring such a PhD technical terms. A common man has to be understand what's meant by MCP. So very simple. There's a three things I've been explained. So the three things I've been explained, and one more time, and let's get back to the practical and we do the practical orientations. All right. So here, just now we talk about the first one. M refers for model. Which model? LLM models. What are the LLM models? ChatGPT, Claude, and then there are many, Gemini AI, DeepSeek. There are a lot of models, XI, Grok, etc., etc. Okay. Context. C refers for context. Which context? Okay, which context? What is the context? Might be chart history, okay, or might be any separate context relevant to the domain. Mistral, yeah, man, many of this, I'm saying many of them, Mistral, everything's all right. Yeah, so chart history and feedbacks, correct. So feedback and all those things. Protocol, set of rules, set of rules to book the flight tickets or book the weekend trip is called your trip, guys. I hope understand. So here LLM, you can build plenty. I will give you architecture, so try to listen these sessions. I will don't ask, I'll talk to your questions. If you have any questions, write it down. I will take your questions at last because we will build a lot of nice practical today. So just now explain, LLM is nothing but it's a brain. The brain is trained massive text amount of data, massive text data from school days, from school, from colleges, from friends, from news, etc. Okay. Now, what is agentic AI? Agentic AI means we want to set a goal. The goal is the agents will, for example, we want to book the weekend trip, the weekend trip. To the weekend trip, the agents will book the tickets, guys. Agents will book the tickets for you. Okay, someone outside agents are there or not? But here, while book the tickets, this is what the chat GPT, exactly, Yashwant. So we can trip. I mean to say, for example, we need a tools and we need a reasons and we need tools like before you book the ticket, we need few things, right? What is pricing? Okay. Which flight? Compare price. Okay. And then there's a lot of things we have. And then this is all called tools. And this agents will book. Now, what is MCP? MCP is the wiring system to which connects LLM to agents, guys. Just last explanations. I hope this part is clear. With simple examples, make sense what's meant by MCP, what's meant by Agentic. So MCP can connect to local server, and also remote server. MCP also, okay. Charan, what do you use data like, and if AI won't generate human? Charan, I said, just listen. I will talk to you at the last. Are you clear? So we'll do some practicals, then you guys can understand. All right, buddy? Okay. So the next one, MCP is a wiring system. This part is clear. Do you remember Entropic? Entropic is company which creates LLM. What is name of the LLM? Anyone tell me? Anyone tell me? Claude. Very good. The Claude. So we have like Claude desktop. Okay. So let's start work. Let's start work, everyone. And then I'll teach you all this architecture. Before that architecture, I want to go to Google and write MCP execute. Okay. Do you see, if you refer to this documentations provided by MCP, so right click and open link in new tab. So just whatever questions you have, do not worry. I'll take all of your questions. The first thing we do the practical, and today there is a lot of confuse going on about MCP. So today all the confusions will be gone now. So why MCP? All those things we'll discuss. Right click, open image. Okay. Do you see this, guys? Do you see this architecture? Okay, this architecture, I will not explain you now. I'll explain after the practical. Let's do the practical. So the first step, everyone open Google and write Claude desktop. Download Claude and Windows. Let's install now. In today's sessions, I'm going to do 3 practicals, guys. Cursor AI and also Klein, autonomous AI agents. So the main theme is to exactly understand how MCP is set up in Windows. Just open it and I hope you can hear. Yes, just 1 second. Just 1 second. And Okay, so did you download it? Did you download, everyone? Mute, mute. Okay, downloading. Let me share it one more time. Sorry, due to some technical issues, it happens. That's fine. Yeah, it's done with downloading. Yes. So how many of them download? Just go to the work and go to the downloads and please install. Have you see that Claude Setup x64? Just double click on it and let me install this one. And let me install this one. No, yes, Yashwant, you have to be assigned with, just give your file, no problem. And okay, unexpected JSON. Let's minimize. Do you see, I can able to see this or not? Claude. Do you see the icon, sun icon? Please respond everyone, yes or no. Yeah. Yes, Haridas, please, man, if it's asking for mobile number and OTP, give it. It's not ask for very simple. You can go to the download and check this. There is a 2 plans. Sign in with Google. That's it. So if you check this, there are 2 plan. One is free plan, one is upgrade plan. Have you noticed that? So I don't want you to upgrade right now because it provide free credits. So this is all you can talk about Entropic. Okay, if you check this one, in this here, this is file, this is edit, view, help options, and where you can chart this guys. So you can ask anything, who created MCP. Okay, now MCP is created by Entropic. So let's talk about this. Functional Tron. Okay, so model MCP in LLM, MCP server. So no, this is, let's execute. Do you see this guys? And if you notice that we are logged to which applications? Claude 3.7 Sonnet. So Claude has released 3.7 Sonnet, 3.5 Haiku. Are you able to generate the responses? Please answer me. Are you able to generate the responses? Please answer me. Yes. How many of them completed? Yashwant, are you done? Everyone is created. You install your desktop. So now in ChatGPT, it is local or it is web, guys. ChatGPT you cannot install in local, correct? See, there's a 2 things I wanted to notice. The first thing is, so this Claude desktop, we installed in our local machines. Am I correct or not? But ChatGPT, it's directly web, correct? So this is called locals. Okay. Yes, everyone understood. Claude desktop and ChatGPT web. Great. Yeah. We don't hear web server. Very simple. So that's what I'm telling you to MCP. What exactly mean by this? What is the temperature in Hyderabad today? So let's get this one. Great. So what exactly we done right now? So we completed. So here we install the Entropic Claude desktop. Which version? Claude Sonnet. If you refer to this, Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Yes. Everyone notice that? Claude 3.7 Sonnet versions we done. So the students who absent, please watch this YouTube channel. I mean, which already in live. I want you to watch this and let me know. So please, this sessions, listen with the clarity because I'm explaining with a lot of in-depth steps. So in this video would help you how build MCP server in local, how to connect it with remote server or outside file systems. We try to understand in this practical. Everybody clear? Okay, great. So just come back. So how many of them completed this step? Please let me know. How many of them completed this step? Please let me know. Okay, good responses I got. Yes, Ishwar, Kamal, Darsanikant. Amazing, amazing. So the guy who not able to, Yashwant, what's your query, man? Why don't you use web server? I will use, Yashwant, are you there? First, try to listen, then I'll unmute you, then we'll talk. Are you guys clear? I already use web server. Please use previous lecture. You got it. Understand? Mr. Yashwant Gunnisetti. Are you there or not? Yeah, great. So the next step, the first step is install Claude desktop. Second step. This is what is second step. In the second step, can you create a folder? See, let me tell you, in C drive, I will create a folder, right click, new folder, MCP. Okay. Inside the folder, I want to create a two text. For example, notepad and here, let's say hi, and file save as C drive MCP. Okay, hi.txt. Okay, this is one text I created. Copy and paste. I will write to bye and or hello. Let me open. Hello. Just control S. Okay, guys. So let me talk about this first. Just one moment. Okay, do you see this, guys? We are created two text. What I done, can you please follow the next step? Just, oh, did I closed it? One moment. Work, NIT, workshops, 2025, April, MCP. Let's create the notes. Second step, create a folder in C drive and the name of the folder C drive, create a MCP folder. And the third step is create a two text file, name as hi.txt and hello.txt. Let me know once you're done. Fourth step. Let me know once you're done. So if you see this, guys, very simple. So what I'm done, I'm just going to the C drive and create a folder MCP, and I created hi and hello.txt. Clear, guys? Let me know once you've done this. Let me know 3 steps. Okay, appreciated. Done. Great. Great. Everybody completed? Okay, who's this man? Subhashree Roy. We all completed it. You can. How do you know how come others will complete it? Okay. Can we go to the 4th step now? Yeah. 3 steps completed. Very simple steps, nothing. Fourth step. In the fourth step, can you ask to the cloud, can you tell me which location MCP folder created and what are the files in that folder? Now execute. Answer me, do you think the model will respond? Yes or no? Answer me, do you think the model will respond? The one who listen today's session? No. If I ask to ChatGPT, do you think ChatGPT will respond? Let me ask to the ChatGPT. So there is no LLM model. There is no LLM model can answer me that what is the location where the hi and hello text files are created. Isn't it? Isn't it? Yes or no? Answer me. So this is what response. Yes. So that's why now I write a questions. So these no LLM model can interact to my local system folder. So what we do, we need to do manually or not? Okay. There is a thing called MCP server. समझ में आ गया? You got it? What is meant by MCP server? Let's install MCP server now. Fifth step. Can you please go to Google and write MCP and open the file? Let's do it. Let's do it. And here, okay, try this now. Do you see? First, I went to the Google MCP and first model context protocol and open it. MCP is an open protocol that standardized how applications provides connect to LLM. So here the MCP is connect the LLM to my local server. The line is called MCP server. I hope this session is pretty clear. And if you, I'll explain these architectures, no worry. So what we done right now, if you see this architecture, right now we install Claude, correct? Everyone understood? We install the Claude. Great. This is my local system. This is my local system. This is my machine. So this is entropic. Okay, this is my local system. So my local system cannot access by this one, or no LLMs can access to my local system. That's why I will install MCP server now. Can we install MCP server now? And I will tell you how exactly it'll interact. That's why we'll install the MCP server now. So today we will install the MCP server. Let's follow me now. And here, okay, I'll give you this architecture. Slowly, you guys understood. Now scroll down, and again go to Google, write MCP GitHub. Just log into the GitHub. And once you log into the GitHub, okay, do you see MCP protocol? Let's open this. And when you come down, do you see servers or not, guys? Do you see server? Please answer me. Yes or no? Just you follow with me, and everything in one sessions you would be understand in depth. I promise you, this session is one of the superb and you never found in any of your YouTubers, guys. Let's open it. Just log into the servers. Once you log into the server, once you log into the server, just come down. Do you see file system or not? Do you see file system, everyone? So secure file operations with configurations access control. Now right click and file system. Please log into the file system. Okay, so now you will clear, Yashwant. That's what I'm saying. Everything is practical. So now just come down, just come down. What exactly do? What is MCP server does? It will read write files. It will create directories, delete directories, move files, search files, API. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, just you can read all these informations, how to read file, how to write file, how to edit files, create a directory, list directory, move files to the local file system and Docker. So you can create using Docker as well, but we don't want a Docker now. So just come down npx command, we use this. npx commands. So in npx command, we install MCP server to local file system. npx means node. Okay, local node. So are you able to got this file, guys? Please answer me yes or no. Please answer me yes or no. How many of them got it? How many of them got it? Okay, I can see everyone's chat. Okay, Charan, any question to you? Charan, any question? You raise your hands. Please, you can ping. I will talk to you at the last, because if I talk, I think it will disturb. So that's the reason I'm not talking to you guys. Okay, the guys who joined today, you're good, and this is a nice topic. Got it, great. So are you got this now? Please answer me. So what I'm going to do? Can you please copy this npx? Can you please copy this npx? Did you copy it now? Yes. After copied, minimize, go to the Cloud desktop and log in to the file here. Please click to the file and then file, settings, and go to the developer. I'll repeat again. Did you copy the config, guys? Please answer me. So did you copy the config? Yes. After you copy the config, just start file, setting, developer, edit config. Everyone, you can see Cloud desktop config as built or not. Cloud desktop config you found, please answer me. Great, Venkat, appreciate your response. And let me know where you stuck. Let me know where you stuck. Just double click on it. Just double click on it. It will create automatically VS Code and you will get empty, and I will paste here, and I will paste here. Did you paste it? Did you paste it? Yes, you did paste it. Now don't save it, just listen after you pasted. Just which drive we stored our MCP folder, open it. C drive, right? Let me go to the C drive, and then I'll go to MCP. MCP. Let's copy the drive and minimize. I will delete everything and paste it here. And paste it here. And do a // Let me know. Okay, Priya, Mac systems, I will tell you how to do it. Mac systems might be, maybe you are my batch, I will tell you later. You just listen to that. So let me know how many of them done. I will repeat again. I will repeat again. Tell me the last step. Very simple. So last step is, this is what we copy earlier or not? Now go to the C drive. Have you created a folder? The folder which we created, I told you to create a folder, right? Just where do we create a folder? C drive. And C drive, MCP. Now just copy the path location and paste the path here. And paste the path here. And this is /. Do you see red symbol? That means error. Do another /. And control S, save it. Let me know how many of them done. Make sure this path would be fine. Let me know how many of them done. Great, done. Great, done. Great, done. Excellent. Thank you for your response. And also, if you see this, Do you know in MCP before, what is the question when I ask MCP not, I mean, the Claude unable to respond? Now, Control S, minimize, minimize. After minimize, just you close this, go to the file and exit, guys. Please exit the Claude, exit the Claude. After exit, just let's reopen it. Let me reopen it. When you reopen this, great. Do you see a hammer icon has created or not? And do you see attach from MCP? Now what I done? Now my Claude has connected to my local file system. How many of them got this icon? Please let me know. How many of them got this icon? Hammer icon. No, just file and then you must be done something wrong. Got it? Wow, Venkat, very nice. Venkat, amazing. Got it, got it. Rajiv, you missed the steps. Srivardhan Reddy, done. Amazing, good. How many of them got it done? Just type D. I will repeat again. Listen to me. I'll repeat again. Do it one more last time. Okay, for you guys. As you're asking, I'll explain one more time. Go to GitHub. Let me, please listen to me. Just go to the, okay, close. First, MCB GitHub. Can you open this? After open this, excuse me, I'm sorry. So here, file system, please, this is MCP GitHub. And then you can click onto the file system, click onto the file system. After you click onto the file system, this will open this file system. And after you come to the file system, can you copy the npx command? This file systems, copy that, copy that. Did you copy? Did you copy, Rajiv? After you copied, just click this file, settings, and then developers, then edit config, then you got Claude desktop config. Please let me know up to this you're there. The one who done, it's amazing. The one who not done, please answer. Don't do anything extra, just follow me, and this after that you can try anything. So let me know how many of them done. So double click on it. Once you do double click, do you see you paste here? After you paste, remove the last two line. So remove, this is what another directory. I'll pass my local directory here. And after local directory, just Control S. After you saved, go to the Claude and again file, okay? File and exit. First exit, then open one more time and the MCP plugged in. MCP plugged in. Isn't it amazing? Answer me. We'll see the response now. Wait. After you're done, I want to ask, can you tell me which location MCP folder is installed and how many files inside the MCP folder? Very good. Now enter. Okay. Now allow this chart. It search. Again allow. It find my path. Oh, mind blowing. Isn't it, guys? We got hello text and hi text. Awesome. Great. So isn't it amazing? Please answer. Super. Now you got the response. Now you got the response. You know what is meant by MCP now? So we build our MCP server in Claude. So this is my first practical. How many of them done and how many of them feel superb? Done. Venkat, amazing. So I want to see your response. So guys, I'm telling you, the guys who experience, they only studying. The one who freshers, they don't understand these things, what exactly going on. Sridhar not connecting, not connecting. It's very simple. It's showing below error. What error? Just one moment. Okay, not connecting. It's showing below error. No, I can't see that error. Please, have you done? See, okay, one more thing. I will tell you what to do after editing config, same error. Let me tell you, when you create a folder, let me tell you, just one, I think, I know why I got error. I know many of them students got error. One conditions, do not give path in any other drive like spaces, underscore, and hash. These symbols, raw string, I mean, not allowed. Raw string, not allowed. You just follow my steps. Very simple. Blindly C drive, create a folders. Okay. And then C drive, create a folder MCP. Now you can use it, because always understand, if you have space in drive, if you have underscore in drive, if you have all other characters, this will throw you an error. This will throw you an error, guys, because the path location has to be neat and clean, has to be neat and clean. Got me now? Can you try it? Just you don't do any extra steps. Venkat, yes, you follow my steps, it works, because Venkat is worked. Sayed want to try on Mac. Yes, it is available in the YouTube. I will share this YouTube link. Okay. And Darshanikant, you got. Now let me share you the chat window. Everyone. Okay, Sayed, you got it now. Please check this. Uday is working. Amazing, amazing. How many of them working? Priya, I will tell you later. Just no worries. If you check this, do you see my connection is done or not? But earlier, what happened? Earlier, it gave me error. I will also make the documentations. So just let me show you the documentations. Nageshwar working. So if I ask these questions, guys, file system, can you check test folder available in? No, it is not giving me output. But after this ecosystem file system, now it gave me an output. So try this in this folder. One moment, C drive, MCP. How many folder I have? How many file? 2 text file. Okay. Now I'm saying to my MCP, can you create by.text in the same folder? See what I'm saying? I didn't create any by here. I'm saying, can you create a by.text in same folder? Now I'm going to hit enter. When I hit enter, this LLM model can interact with file system with MCP, and it will done that for, just follow this and you try it now. Allow. See, I have successfully created a name called by.txt. Goodbye. Now, just amazing, man. Amazing. How many of them feel it's good? So this is really important in your, I mean, office work culture. Great. So please comment. Do not forget. I'm so excited. So what I want to do, please like and subscribe and comment my videos, guys. It's so, I loved it. It's nailed it. I want to bring a lot of MCP workshops and in upcoming days. Isn't it amazing? Please answer me. Have you ever feel LLM can integrate to my system, my file system? Superb. Yashwant, where it stuck, guys? Where are you stuck? Madhu, if your cloud stuck, no problem. Listen the class, do it later. Are you clear? Okay, how many of them done? I want to move on to the next topic now. Yes. Done, done. So we follow context, right, sir? Yep, yep, yep. So now it is very famous because a Java guy can connect to it, a Java guy, a Docker, everyone, guys. So this is one of the next big thing in agentic AI. So many of them do not understand this. Can we do the next step now? So can I go to the next step? Got it, sir. Charan, amazing now. Answer me yes or no. That means you can connect to, okay, can you create a welcome to data science content inside text 3, inside which one? Which folder I created here? Let me log in. I want to enter a text now inside the MCP. Yeah, not hello, hi. I will try to do with some other stuff again. Okay, okay, by inside by dot txt. What I'm saying, if you check this by, what happened? I'm just mentioning goodbye. Now what I'm saying to my MCP, hey MCP, can you create welcome to data science content inside by.txt? Just execute. Let's see how it works. I'll update the by. Man, awesome. Okay, let's do it. Oh, superb. Man, do you understand what's the next revolutions things in AI world? Awesome. You don't know what exactly it works. The experience, guys, it's for you. This is exactly, you can connect to the local file system, which never happened before. You can connect to APIs, guys. See, I'll tell you, there's a lot of advanced things. So guys, done now? How many of them got? Yes. How many of them understood? Please let me know. Done. If yes, I'll go to the next one. I'll go to the next one. Okay. Again, now let's go to the architecture. MCP architecture, model context protocol. Now again, I'll go to the MCP. Done. Great. Did you see this diagram here? Rajiv, Claude is not a standalone, man. Claude is a desktop which created by Entropic. This is LLM. Normally, LLMs can integrations to the web because the data learned from internet. So here, the Claude is a desktop applications created by Entropic. Yeah, it's even though that's what the power, it can also fetch the data. Got it? In this one, now I want to see this diagram. So this diagram, host MCP client. What is this, guys? MCP client like Claude. We install Claude desktop. MCP server. Which server we installed? Anyone? Anybody? Which server we installed? File system. File system, right? And which local? My personal system. And finally, I get my work. Are you clear up to this? Did you clear? So I can create multiple web server. Can we add another web server? Can we add another MCP server? But this time, this is local data I load to my client, but now I want to connect to outside services. Means, how many of them understand, guys? So can we connect another web server? If I got more likes, then I'll connect another server, please. Okay, let's do it. So again, can you go to server now? And in this server, this is come down and you have on, you can connect to all these web servers. Just one moment. If you notice this, the server, you can have a list of web servers you have, guys. You can connect it to everywhere. So now we can have an options called, Okay, one moment. So again, I'll go to Google and MCP GitHub, log into it, model context protocol, come down and select on servers. After the servers, let me check which server I want to connect, which is third party server. Okay, I want to connect to third party server. Do I have okay, community servers. It's better community servers. We want to connect. Okay, Airbnb. Can we connect to Airbnb? Let's say it provides tools to search listing details. Okay, now I'll go to Google and write Airbnb. What is Airbnb? Anyone? Airbnb is an American company operating an online marketplace for short and long term homestay and experience in various countries and regions. It acts as broker and charges commissions. Okay, yes, this is Airbnb. Let's try to connect to the community server and let's follow me. And here, what I'm going to do now. So okay, can you please open again? Let's connect. First MCP server, we connect to the cloud. Can we connect to the second MCP now? So in this case, go to the Google and type MCP GitHub. It's open. And once it is opened, just scroll down and come up to community server and just log into the Airbnb. Click this Airbnb. When you click this Airbnb, okay, sorry to interfere. If anyone got error, what is okay? So sorry, let me stop. I forgot to tell you one thing today. So before you got this error, I want to ask one thing, that did you got error message like anybody got error message like I forgot to ask you, I'm sorry guys. Node is not recognized. Anyone got this error? Node is not recognized because npx is a node. Please, npx is a node. Anyone got error message node? If you anyone got node, no, if anyone got node is not, yes, looks like I need to install node. Exactly. So please install the node. So how do you install the node? You can go to Google and you can go to Google and here go to Google and again so you have to Node.js download and please download the Node.js, and after you download Windows installer, it will work guys, definitely. Pretty clear? Okay, great. Can we connect to the MCP now? Yep. So here, yes, npm, yes, Sridhar, that's why you got error. So follow the steps, it will work now. Trust me. So go to the Google and do it, it will work. Okay. So I'm sorry to forgot to inform that step. So Airbnb, everyone got Airbnb, and can you please log into the Airbnb file system? Where is that Airbnb MCP server? Do you see Airbnb MCP server? You can connect to smithery.ai as well. This is another app, smithery.ai, where you can connect to list of MCP server. I don't confuse things now. Maybe I'll bring a lot of projects in future classes. So again, do you see MCP server here or not? Do you see this NPX now? So ignore the first one, follow the second one, follow the second one. Okay. And what I'm going to do, MCP server. So go to the cloud now, go to the cloud and select it, file, setting, developer, edit config, double click on it. So we have this one. Now I want to add same step as earlier. Yes, as MCP server we have, so we no need to do the next step. So what we need to do here, I'm going to enter, and so this Airbnb, I'm going to copy and paste here, guys. Great. Airbnb paste here. So can you please paste this? And if you check this one, after you place, I'm sorry, I think, oh, okay. Just my bad. Here, I need to just 1 second. Control Y. All right. And I have to put the comma here. And oops, I have to copy this. Just 2 minutes. Okay. Where is that MCP server we have now? This one, right? I'm going to right click, copy after line number 10. Yes. Just this one. Control V. Hey, why it's not copied? Right click, copy, and oh, it's done. I'm sorry. Yeah. I hope it's done, guys. Yep. So now do this. Everything is fine now. Now Control S. Do you see we just save it or not? Do you see this, guys? Let me know how many of them done. Let me know how many of them done, guys. So what I'm going to do, okay, done. Great. Done. So I think you can put them everything in one line. No need to make it 2 lines. That's fine. Control S now. So after, are you done? Please let me know how many of them completed. So which server we got this? Because MCP server we already installed. So I just copy this Airbnb and I will connect to my Claude desktop config file, and I'm going to save it now. Let's minimize and minimize everything. Let's open the Claude and edit config. I already done this, right? Let's close and again file and exit. Let's double click on it, Claude. I hope it works. $13. And now 13, guys. If you see 13, do you see Airbnb's listing done or not? Create directory listing done or not? Now double click on it, install MCP. Are you able to see 2 MCP server is installed? Great. Very good, Priya. Excellent. How many of them completed this Airbnb now? Done. Venkat, amazing, awesome. So I'm asking to these guys. Done. So do you know how to create MCP now? Me too, done. Amazing or not, guys? Simple steps and mind blowing. And now see this architecture. Just go back to the architecture. Okay, before I want to ask, can you, can you suggest, less expensive hotel to stay in America for a first time traveler? Because Airbnb is a traveler. Just can you suggest less expensive hotel to stay in America for first time traveler? And now execute it. Great, man. Great. It is asking to which date? You're not out of free messes until 3:30 p.m. Okay. So I hope you guys got understand, or maybe can you tell the 2 days to 2 days to stay in US? Okay, with less expensive restaurant, less expensive hotel, guys, expensive rooms. Just check this. I think it is out of memory now. It is a chart limit as expert, but you got your responses, guys. Did you clear now? Did you clear, guys? Claude can. Yes. So guys, I hope in this video you learned how to create a MCP server. Sir, explain an example with Neo4j real time. It will be helpful. Charan, this topic is different. That topic is different. Understand? So just don't connect. Maybe the time comes. We'll discuss later. So how many of them clear? Amazing or not? So today it's an amazing. So now next thing is we learned like okay, so how to create, what is the first projects, guys? What is the first practical we completed? Let me open my PDF, and the first one, are you completed this file system, and we build MCP server using Claude. How many MCP server we built today? Two MCP server, one for local, one for remote, one for local and one for remote. So if you go to this, if you go to the MCP system, this architecture, are you clear now? There is nobody you can explain to multiple people now. Very simple. I'll re-explain one more time. This is your Claude. This is your local file system, an MCP server we plugged in. So MCP server is a wiring system which connected from host client to server, guys, data sources. And also in the second MCP server, which is server, what is Airbnb? Airbnb is not a local, correct? Airbnb is not a local. Airbnb is not a local. We connect from internet server. So this architecture, I hope you guys are clear. Okay, Rajiv, could have couple of days back in my, we did same hands, big brain and agents with ID like VS Code. Yeah, good. So now every company is doing that. Okay, now the freshers are don't learn this. Am I correct, guys? I know all whoever joined today, all are working professionals, and you understand and why this is important. And trust me, this is very nicely explained, the MCP client server architecture, isn't it? This part is clear. Yeah. Gaurav by default is connected to the web. Then how is come on, man. Gaurav, before you ask your questions, little read it. Are you clear, buddy? You can ask any questions, man. But still, you need to know that how MCP server can integrate to the cloud desktop. So why again questions comes up? Can we go to the next one? There's a two more things. What is next part? Okay. No, context already done, man. What is meant by context? Context means which context you are speaking. For example, if I talk to action movies, the context is action. If I talk about happy, your context is happy there. Okay. So next one, Klein, cursor. I hope most of the people has used cursor already, but the students who never used cursor, for them, I want to bring you a small explanations of cursor. Just go here. So now let me log into this. Sir, given by BNB, I get create 2 days plan file that. Okay, no problem. So just go here and I'll close everything. Gaurav, clear now? You can check this, you understand. Okay, buddy. Yep, good. Next one. Okay, this part. I'll go to Google again, and then what is the next task? The next task is Cursor AI. Now read this. If you see, build software system and right click and open this Cursor AI, the AI code editor. So VS Code is a code editor or not? VS Code is code editor, correct? Now, the agentic AI code editor is Cursor. Actually, it is not a free plan, but you got free up to some limit. Most of the companies are using this now over, VS Code, guys. So if you refer to the pricing plan, just refer to the pricing plan. It is free. It is $20 per month. I mean, pro 2 weeks trial, 2,000 completions, 50 slow premium request. Understand? So yearly, now this is what the yearly plans. So right now we follow with free plan. I want everyone to go to the Cursor AI and please download. Please do it. So I already download, just click on it and let's download. Oh, Sridhar, after install npm, it's working. That's nice. That's nice. After the class, Sridhar, the session is live. You can follow that live link and you can connect to other community servers. You can connect to any other server, okay? And you can, that's what you can see the MCP documentations. You can connect other servers. In future, I want to bring most of problem solve. Thanks. So that's what Krishna, I forgot to explain. So I thought why you guys got error. I'd reback and check npx is installed node.js. It will work after install node.js. Okay, now everyone please follow me. Are you there or left? Great, appreciated. Next one, excellent. Can I go to the next step? So what I want you to do, can you refer to the Google and Cursor AI? This is another code editor. And after you go back, please download for Windows. Please download for Windows and free version download, and let me know once you download. Everyone know VS Code? The VS Code alternative agentic AI LLMs, all LLMs you can work using help of these Cursor AI, and with it doesn't take much time. Earlier, if in earlier we build LLM models using Google Colab, correct guys? Using Google Colab. Also, we use VS Code. But now the beautiful of the Cursor AI is used for vibe coding. You know what is meant by vibe coding? The vibe coding means assume there is a guy, he is zero in coding. He can easily build the code by use Cursor AI. You easily build the code by user Cursor AI. So what I'm saying, there is a person, okay, who don't know zero knowledge about coding. By leverage of Cursor AI, he can build a code. So please let me know. That's what we do it now. What I'm saying, can you please install Cursor AI and let me know once you're done. So I already installed. Let open Cursor AI. How many of them completed? Cursor AI. Oops. So I want everyone to do this. Cursor. Great. Now let's right click and delete everything. Yes. Let's right click and delete everything. So guys, are you there? So delete permanently. Okay. So done. After you're done, are you able to see these interfaces? Please let me know. Clear. Yes. Yes. So what I'm trying to speaking is, can you create a new file locations, or maybe you can say like file, open folder. Can you create a new folder here? Right click and I create a folder, Cursor projects, guys. Okay. So got it. So did you see, and are you able to see this icon here? Are you able to see this? Please let me know. So if you see this interface, in the right side, you can have chart window. you can have chart window, guys. Okay. Okay. If you refer to this, if you can, do you see right click setting? You have setting in this window. Check my cursor, toggle AI pan. When you click this, you can able to see the assistance here. Okay, let me know once you got it. So if you notice this first step, can you go to the setting, click on a setting. In the setting, if you select to the models, all LLM models by default ticked. How many LLM models are there? Claude Sonnet, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and GPT-4o, GPT-o1, and you can add multi-models as well. So what do you see? You can MCP, everything is fine here. So we learn how to build MCP, but today we don't take much time. So I'll teach you how to use of Cursor AI. This select by default model selected. Everyone got the model selected by default? Yes or no? Yes. So don't do anything. Okay, great. Assume I don't know coding, but I want to create such an amazing applications. So that's why, did you create a folder here? I create a folder cursor projects. So you can create a folder, right click, new folder. Okay, right click, new folder, or maybe you can create a folder, or after you're done, I already create a folder called cursor projects. Let me know once you're done. Let me know once you're done. Done, everybody? Great. So after you've done this, read this. If you see this agents, this is agents auto. When you select auto select thinking, Claude, Sonnet, all these model are here or not? You can write hi and what is today, date and time. I'll ask you one questions to agent. So just select on agent, ask manual. By default, select to agent and send. Do you see the model will respond to you as what is today's date? Let me check. Now, get data. Do you see what exactly it's saying? Please write what I'm saying and go to the terminal, open a new terminal, and you can find out this. And when you say run command, the command will run and run command. Okay, so again, run command. See, automatically the code is running for you. Now, do you see the code is automatically given here? Accept it. Now run. Okay, I hope you got your output, guys. Did you check this? The output is here. Cannot. No, you can see that, guys. If you see this, you got response. The current date is 4/6/2025 and 11:32. Great. I didn't write any code. What I'm doing now. First, please follow me and let me tell you. Are you done this? Guys, okay. Okay, see. You please do not try to understand what's your name. Kamal. You can try PowerShell, you can try Excel, anything you can do it, man. Okay, now Kamal, can you write a Python code to create an app now? Create a calculator app. Okay, this part easy you feel? Let's do it another practical. In here, I will ask I will write, can you build calculator? Can you build calculator app using Streamlit? Okay. See, this is autonomous AI, guys. I mean, everything has done automatically. So this is called vibe coding. Can you build calculator app using Streamlit? For example, I don't know anything. I write this query and I send. Now let's follow me. Let's close it. calculator app.py. Now check. So model is generating which model? The Sonnet model. By default, the agents has been created. Guys, are you doing it now? Are you working for you? Have you explored it? Isn't it amazing? Kamal, are you understand, buddy? I know you are generating PowerShell. You will generate in Excel sheets. Popped up as PowerShell. Okay. Now you can write this query. No need to do any PowerShell. Automatically, it will generate in right side. See, if you can check this now, accept files. No need to do anything in PowerShell. Leave it as well. And now it's saying, please install the Streamlit. You will execute run here. I'm working past. Yeah. So if you check this now, run it, create pip install requirement.txt. Okay. And I hope it's created streamlit.run. And now run it, streamlit.run, calculator app.py. I'm not typing any code. Great. Now my app is created. Amazing, guys. Calculator app. Okay, enter first number. So I can say like 10.10 and addition second number 20.09 and calculate. Great, man. Do you see this is called vibe coding? How many of them understand? Isn't it awesome or not? So this is called Cursor AI. Superb. So look at this. I didn't do anything. Excellent. I didn't do anything. So now companies are using this. Understand? So earlier the coding required. Nowadays the coding is not much important to the skills, the right way of presentations, and there's all those things required. See, I don't know anything. I just open Cursor AI. I just ask to my agent. I don't care how exactly it happens in backend, but still I pay $20 bucks and I can connect to my MCP server using this. You can create a multiple app, guys. Can you create booking system? You can try that. Everything has a limited now. How many of them created? Isn't it amazing? Please answer me. Isn't it amazing? So you can refer to the Cursor AI. Okay, so what is Cursor? So it's clearly mentioned, built to make you extraordinary productivity. Cursor is the best way to code with AI. So this is called your vibe coding. This is called your vibe coding. Understand? So you can also connect to the MCP using Cursor. How? You have a setting, and in this setting, just go to the setting now. Okay, can we go to the next step? Please let me know after you're done. We immediately created an AI app we build. Do you notice this? We create an app now. And I want to multiply as well. Let's select it. Multiplications, then calculate. Done. Done. Do you see the multiplications we got? A simple app. And then if I write a Python code, I have to write these code or not? Check this. The code also written here. Okay, it's asking me to use the versions, guys. Okay. So check this. This is the code we need to write. So who is writing code for you? Exactly, Rajiv. If you see this one, this code I have to write or not? If you learn Python, you have to write this code using if, elif, and then I try to get my app. But now what exactly it happened? The LLM model automatically fetched and it generated a response in the command prompt. And the good part is we created a front end as well in a 2 seconds. Look at it, so fast. Agree, team? This is Cursor. So how many projects we done so far? The first thing is this 2 part we completed. Two guys. We build 2 MCP server using Claude, I'm sorry, and Cursor AI, Agentic AI code editor. So today I introduce Agentic AI code editor. Next one, last one for today is Klein. Okay. So can we continue the last one, guys? Can you continue to the last one? Yes, please. So guys, I want this sessions, I need more likes, and I hope whoever just attending the sessions, so your likes and your comments would motivate a lot to bring up next projects. All right, next, get back to the next one. Klein. Sir, introduce how to. Darshanikant, I will do it later because it will take more time. For that, you have to pay for it. Let me tell you, this cursor AI, if you go to the setting, do you have MCP? You can connect to the MCP by add a file system. I think I add one file system, npx file system. Do you see enable, guys? I already add a file system now, and I'll tell you sometimes how to connect MCP server using this one. Add new global, whatever the npx C drive testing we connected. So what I'm trying to do, C drive users. Now, do I have a folder users, guys? Let me go to the MCP users. Let me copy, and I will try to control V and control S save. Okay, great. I'll try this. It's working. And can you create? Okay, can you create? Okay, welcome.txt in C drive MCP, MCP drive, MCP locations. You can try this way as well. Maybe I'll test it. If it's working, that's fine. If not, let's try, because we create MCP server here in my file system. The same things, guys. MCP add welcome to text dot. It's saying, okay, unable to this one. Apology. I will tell you later how to fix this MCP server later. Okay, but you can do it. Add new global MCP server. You can connect to the MCP server in the file system. So the main aim is to introduce to Cursor AI today. Okay, guys. Now run. Let's try. Let's try. I have to open a terminal. I'll try. Just one moment. Okay. Accept file. I have created. Oh, guys, it's created. Let me check. No, I don't think so. It's created. No. Okay. No, it's not created. I will tell you later how to do this, because it's saying I have created welcome.txt file in your current workspace since I don't have direct. Oh, okay. It is already created, welcome.txt. Do you see it's created or not? Yes, guys, it is also created now. Yeah, happy coding. Do you see? So we can also learn how to connect this, not into this drive, but also it is created. Let's search welcome, working on it, .txt. Just 2 minutes. I'll ask, can you show me the, oh, cursor projects, right? I have to go to the cursor projects, C drive, user, C drive users, cursor projects. Okay, do you see welcome text file created or not? Great. Welcome to cursor MCP. Darshanikant, clear? Answer your query. How to create MCP using cursor? How many of them learned? How many of them learned? Anyone in this group, this session? Very simple. You can follow the same steps. Maybe you can do it later, or maybe I'll tell you later. Fantastic. Yes, Nageshwar, great. So if you log into this, how do you, I have learned. Excellent. So just right click, MCP, add global server. You can connect to the system. Whatever the entropy cloud we done it, you just add it and give your path locations. Right now, I was into different path. So that's why, and execute. Amazing. Don't you think how MCP is mind blowing or not? It's revolutions. So that's why everyone bring back to these projects. And I see many articles, the way this video has explained, I don't find anywhere else, guys. So it's not praising myself, but yes, I try to break down all the concepts to easy way so that anyone can build. So many research I explained you in just 1 hour with no pressures, with no issues at all. Yes, you can, Sridhar. Azure MCP cloud, you can do it. Refer to the MCP server doc and you can find out. All right, buddy. So guys, how many part we learned so far? Can we go to the another one, client? So just refer to this build MCP server using cloud. 2 MCP server we created. Also, I created MCP server using Cursor AI. How Agentic AI code editor. We already, thanks of millions for bringing these awesome projects. Thank you, Venkat. I need your comments. And next one, can we go to the next part? Okay, let's stop it now. Minimize. Third one, client. Can we go to the client now? Everything end to end. Just open source. Yes, yes. No, client AI. So let me open client AI. Autonomous coding agent. Just follow this now. So this is install client, 1.2 million installers. These are new tools which has been introduced just few days back, guys. I mean, not old practice. So guys, I'm start a new batch from tomorrow onwards. If your friends or junior or senior, whoever wants to learn, just suggest them so they get a quality learning from me. I promise it. I hope all my existing students are there so they know me how exactly the training is going on. Yes or no, team? Answer me. Next one, install client. So you don't need to install client here. Just minimize, just go to the VS Code. Can you please refer? I close it and go to the VS Code. Everyone, please open a VS Code. So 2 projects we done. So close this, close this. Now Vibe coding, Cursor AI we done. Last projects. The last project is, let's called Klein. What is Klein? Autonomous AI agents. Let's reference to this Klein. So how do I connect to the Klein? So the first step is just go to extension and here write Klein. And if you refer to the Klein, do you see you can click it and install. Let me know once you're done. The one who don't know VS Code, please install VS Code right now. Just go to the Google and type VS Code. Just go here and Google VS Code execute. And this is also free. You can install for Windows. After install, open it, VS Code, and in the VS Code, go to the extension. This is extension. Try in search box as Klein. And if you see autonomous coding agent right in your IDE, capable of creating, editing, everything's you're going to do that with the client. So this is one of the super duper IDEs where everyone used across the globe. All right, guys. So after you go to the client, just let me know how many of them installed. Are you installed, please? Everyone install. Let me know yes or no. Let me know yes or no. Yep. Great. Once you install the client, do you see this logo here, client logo? Do you see your logo here, client? Okay, yep. Click on it, click on it, click on it. Great. Do you see what can I do for you? Thanks to Claude. All right. And automatically, before you fix it, I want you to select this one. Just come to this part. Just come to this part. the last one. Okay. Yep. It asking for API key. Just do one thing. Go to Google. Just go to the Google and write Gemini API key, execute Gemini API key. You collect your API key immediately. Just within 2 minutes, you will create an API key. Just go to Google AI Studio and get API key, and then create API key. And you just my first projects, and I hope you create API key. Okay, my first projects, create API key, guys. So do you see this API key you created or not? Let's copy the API key and just select it. And there are list of LLMs are there. Client, Open Router, Entropic, OpenAI, GCP, Vertex AI, DeepSeek, Mistral. All list of LLMs are there. I want you to select Google Gemini and paste your API key and done it. Let me know once you're done. And let me know once you're done. And I'll ask, how are you? Okay, just execute. Now, no need to write a code anymore. So when you check, thank you for asking. Great, amazing. The clients are here or not? So that means in early days, just not early days, just 1 month back, when we build an LLM models, I have to connect to the VS Code and I have to connect to the Google Colab and I have to do this. But now the prompt is there. This client, autonomous agent is automatically assign a task. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Isn't it? It's great. Please answer me yes or no. Please answer me yes or no, guys. How many of them got response? Client autonomous agent. How many of them got responses? Please answer me. Got it? Yes, I got it. What about rest of them? You got response? Yep or no? Okay, now if you response, you got your API key, everybody? You got your API key? Great. Okay. Yes. So what you do you see MCP server here or not? Do you see MCP server? First you click on terminal now. See, I already explained. So today we already completed 3 projects, guys. The first one is build MCP server using Claude, Klein, what is meant by autonomous coding agent, and what is Cursor AI. We build MCP server and such an amazing projects, practicals. I feel so confident that, yeah, so this is one of amazing practicals, guys. Trust me. And also, what you do here, can you connect to the, let's try this time, select MCP. Do you see these are marketplace? You have marketplace, remote server installed. Are there or not? If you go to the remote server, okay, or maybe marketplace, in this marketplace, what I want you to do, you can connect to WhatsApp as usual. Let's try, we'll try this, how exactly it works, but you can also install it. So this autonomous AI coding is automatically give you the responses. Make directory, WhatsApp MCP. No need to write any code. This is saying autonomous AI coding agent. Autonomous AI coding, when you run command, this everything will happen automatically. Do you see this, guys? WhatsApp MCP has created when 6.4. I'm not doing anything. I'm saying to build this clone, just run command, automatically it will clone from this repositories to this repositories. You can go back to your local systems here and it will give you the clone up, guys. Okay, WhatsApp MCP server. This is WhatsApp MCP. You can connect to WhatsApp MCP server. This is all the file systems you have to refer. Okay, so this is the file systems you can refer, and just try that run command. Okay, cloning into WhatsApp. Great, man, awesome. And now API request. No, by default, it is act, guys. Sridhar, by default, you select to act. Now, again, CD. I think you'll fix this. I mean, you can fix this. CD WhatsApp and run command again. It will try to fix this, or maybe you can get this. But it will give you how to connect multiple steps to follow that. Webridge done, and go run main go. Okay, CD. Okay, I think it's doing it. So guys, this is its work with Go language. Now it's execute. Software tech desktop. Just 1 second. What's up? Do you see, guys, what's up we created or not? Okay, what's up MCP server? Do you see this is all those things as created in your local? Great, man. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Yes or no? Okay. So I hope understand. So today we build, now you got some idea what is MCP server, what is LLM, what is agentic AI, and how we connect this Claude desktop with MCP, and also how we connected like cursor with MCP, and how to connect client with MCP. Answer me, do you really like today's sessions, guys? Also, there's a few announcement. There's a few announcement. Yes. So this time, whoever attended, I appreciate if your like and comments is precious to, and also share this video to your office colleague, And anyway, freshers, I would appreciate if they study. And experience for us, it's very informations. Experience, guys, especially it's informative. And trust me, every projects in your company, in your projects, this MCP server is dominant your workplace. Mark my words. Am I clear? Next one. So we build all those things, slideshow from current slides, and we done LLM, agentic AI, MCP we build. Now MCP is connected to tools, data, memory, users. We learn what is mean by that. I give you, can I share this presentations? So, okay, there's a few more things. MCP is work like APIs, LSP, and MCP. It can automatically connect to server, database, and services. LSP means it can integrate with IDEs for language specific tools, code navigations, code analysis, and code intelligence. And it also MCP can connect to prompts, tools, and resources. And we done the practical as well. The next one is, okay, do you see some of the architectures I drawing for you? How exactly the agents with MCP? We write in LLM model output, but in this journey, we write the text prompt and model generates output, but LLM generate outputs. Behind the scene, what happened? It retrieve, connect with tools, read write memory, and generate the outputs. Very simple architectures. You can't understand this diagram if I didn't explain the practical. Next one is with MCP, these are the standardized AI development. MCP client, what are the MCP client? This client we covered right now as desktop, cursor, maybe Windsurf, I'll tell you later. So go see, there's a lot of new things. Database, MCP server, CRM, version control, GitHub, and you can connect with database, CRM, and version control. This architecture is very much clearly just explained here. And what MCP standardized AI development for applications developer, for API developer, for end user, for enterprises. So this is all those things. So that's why I keep on saying MCP is next big thing. So spend your time on MCP and build your resume with MCP projects and integrations with other tools and remote and local file systems as well, because most of the company's files are installed in the local systems, all right, in your organization. So this MCP is help them for security concern and everything. Earlier LLM has at the end of, yeah, Rajiv, I will share it. And the next one, MCP deep dive, client and server connections, tools, resource, prompts. Please read these documents. This is high context documents I prepared. And I'm going to start a new batch tomorrow, as some of them are experienced. Still, I have to speak. Any of the friends or students or freshers, or you are the one or someone, please refer. And this is the new batch starting tomorrow. And also, any internship training I do provide tomorrow onwards, or you can reach out at 4 p.m. for 2 months of training program. This is for college students, and for placement we also conducted a placement, so the guy who selected, so you can also enroll that. All right, so my previous workshop videos I'm sharing you. Please refer this. Please refer this. Agentic AI, nice videos I've been done before. If you're attending my sessions for the first time, please watch all the video. Such an amazing lectures I've been delivered. But actually it's a duration is high, like 2 hours. Of course, guys, we need to be study. 2 hours is not a good, very good time to understand these concepts. Are you clear? So I want you to join this WhatsApp group, not the existing one, the new students. If you have, please scan this QR code and you join my WhatsApp community, where I can share all these documents in these communities, today's workshops. And how are you feeling, guys? How is today's workshops? How is it? Are you really enjoying today? So I want to wish you a uh, Sri Ram Navami, guys. This today's sessions, it's really good, and I feel so overwhelmed to introduce these new advanced topics. And I'm so happy that when you, my students, are learning these topics, great, and with less time, more meaning, with theory, with practical, with architectures, it's mind blowing, isn't it? Yes or no? So what I want, just I want your likes and comments and share to your friends, guys. Everyone. Sure. Excellent. So it's a new hottest topic in the market. GitHub. Yeah, Sridhar, we can do it. Read with the, yep, you can do it. Actually, I already done that artifacts before, but as it's time limit, I didn't explain. Might be I want to make a good videos about MCP, and there's a multiple connections to it. So please connect to the LinkedIn if you're not before. If you're not before, you can connect to my LinkedIn. And I didn't introduce myself because most of them know me, but still I'll share this link. And uh, yeah, there's all those things. So she can learn a lot of new, which will have good market share going forward. Thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, great. Excellent. Uday, just yesterday I saw MCP topics, its latest topic. Awesome. Great. This is not latest topic. This is trending topic also. So in 2 hours, we complete nice topics about MCP. All right. So I hope I need at least more likes and comments and share to reach the knowledge, informative knowledge, and lot of clear explanations are given to you. East evening time zone. Evening. So share your friends. Okay. I will tell you. Yeah. So the new batch will happening from 7th April, which is tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. batch onwards. Now you count what's your timing. If it matched, you can join. If not, then wait for another batch. All right, Mr. Sayed. So go to, yeah, you can connect to in LinkedIn. So just, this is what LinkedIn profile. You can watch it here, guys. So happy Sri Ram Navami to everyone. And yeah, 5:30 p.m. or 6, I have stand up. 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. IST. So this is my connections. Yeah. So already in, no need to share. For the new learners, you can ping me and reach out to me. So did you join this group, the beginners? WhatsApp link? Just one moment. I'm sharing this file. Really learn new stuff. Great, buddy. So did you scan this QR code? Let me share everyone. Okay, please join this WhatsApp group. And thank you. That's it for today. That's it for today. I hope you really like this session and more informative. 3 projects we completed today, as I promised you. Have you scanned it? Have you scanned it? Have you scanned it, the new students? Yes, great. Okay, very good session. Thanks all your effort to make the sessions more interactive. Great, Sridhar. Great. Thank you. So appreciate your comments and share. So this documents I will share. You have to everyone scan. I will share this document, or I will share I will admin to add my GitHub to it, guys. I didn't create GitHub, and we'll do it later as well. Pretty clear? Thank you so much. Happy weekends, everyone, and good day. Bye. Thanks. Shall we go? No, it's done. Oh, wait, my session is going on. Stop. The video is on. What are you doing here? Okay, guys, bye. Goodbye, guys.